Hello guys, I'm back. Today I will talk to you what is and why I offer 15 days money back guarantee to my In-Process Booster training program. My name is Jeferson Costa and I teach students, graduates and engineers how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design. And recently I released a new batch of my In-Process Booster training program where I teach step by step how a person can get from scratch expertise in Aspen-High-Seas, especially applying it to plant design. So the main objective of the In-Process Booster is get students, graduates, and engineers and teach them how to use Aspen-High-Seas applied to plant design. And to do that, I use engineering documentations, engineering standards, and many other resources to the student feels like a chemical process engineer in plant design. And something that is very important before you enroll to my training program is be aware of the guarantee. So what is the full money back 15 days guarantee? When you purchase In-Process Booster, from the day that from your purchase up to the first 15 days, you are able to ask for your money back without any question asked. What that mean? When you purchase In-Process Booster, you get instant access to the training platform where all the classes, recorded classes, is available to you to verify the content, the organization, how I teach things, the resources, and it is the time that you have to make sure that if the Process Booster training program is for you or not. And during this period, if for any reason you decide that you regret your purchase, you can go to your account on Hotmart, that is the gateway of payment, and just click in one button and with that request your full money back. It's full money back. So once that is proceed, the Hotmart will deal with all the bureaucracy to give your money back. And why it's possible to do this way? Because when you purchase the In-Process Booster, usually using a credit card, the Hotmart do the payment, but it do not process the payment because only after the money back guarantee is that they go ahead with the receipt or the physical receipt of the purchase. So if you decide to left In-Process Booster for any reason, you are able to get your money back. And why I do that? I do that because first it's very frustrating when you purchase something and when you get access, you verify that what you believe that was available to you is not in fact that what you will receive. That happens with books, that happens with movies, that happens with CDs. So in the In-Process Booster, you are able to verify the content, make sure that it is for you, and if you don't want to use that, you can ask for your money back, and of course that you will cancel your subscription. You will not have more access to that, but at least you had the chance to verify if In-Process Booster is for you or not. And it is very different from other courses where you pay the fee and it doesn't matter if you like or not, it doesn't matter if you need to do a vacation or not, your money is lost because for any reason you didn't like it or you had some other opportunities to not watch the classes or to not be present in live sessions, and because of that you waste money. This is not the way that I proceed when I release my In-Process Booster training program. Another reason to have the 15 days full money back guarantee is that I prefer to have only people that are interested on learning from me. I share a lot of free content on internet, on my LinkedIn, on my YouTube, and other social media to guarantee that people is familiar with my way of teaching, is familiar with my accent, is familiar with the way that I see things. And when the teacher and the students has a stronger connection, it's easier for the teacher or to the mentor do the mentoring, and it's easier for the student get the learning. So this is another reason that I have the full money back guarantee. If you didn't feel that you have some kind of connections, that what I teach is not what you want to learn, you are free to left, because this way you will not be angry, you will not be disappointed or frustrated, and I will not need to handle someone that is insatisfied with me. So this is a very important information that I like to emphasize every time that I release a new batch of Inprocess Booster. So this way, my main objective here in this video is to share my point of view related to Inprocess Booster. If you want to know more about the training, the fees, and more information related to content, you can verify the link in the description of this video. So guys, that's it. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.